Okay. I haven't made a video for the whole week, but I figured I need to do an update on the Corolla. Right now we are going to Costco to fill up some gas. I also need to angle my camera a little bit down. Maybe not that much down. No sweet spot on this tripod. Adventures off to Costco. Gasoline. First gotta make sure I don't scrape my exhaust on the driveway. So pretty much I'm just gonna talk about a few things that have been done with the Corolla, and then I'll pull over somewhere and I'll show the outside of the car. And I prefer to actually pull over somewhere that's not around my house, because every single video that I've ever done, it's always at my house. So I figure I should change the scenery up a little bit. Oh dear, I've got limited space on my video card, so I've got to clear that up as well. Here's a big bump. Here's a bigger bump. Oh, there's scraping. Holy shit. Okay, so while we are on our way to Costco gasoline, I may as well talk about a bit as what's been happening with the car. So pretty much, let's start off with a big ticket item. I got new tires for the Corolla. I've mounted the steel wheels back on, the stock ones. So the Koenig wheels are in storage now. If you don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, you get all these updates sooner than what you do on YouTube. Anyway, so we've got new winter tires, like full winter, because the old tires were junk. They're Bridgestone Blizzaks winter tires. I've heard they're pretty good tires as well. One of the best on the market, so that's always a good thing. Can you, Jeep man, you're going 25. Speed limit's not even that. You're going like even less than that. You're going 20. Speed limit's 30. Speed limit's 30. Come on, mate. Let's be having ya. Come on. It's not that hard to go the speed limit, considering that speed limits are usually way too slow. Jesus. What? Every day you just see something that's just a little odd. And now he's trying to cut me off. Nah, fam. No. I don't know, are you from out of state maybe? I think you had a Wisconsin plate, but I couldn't pay attention because I was distracted by how f***ing slow you were driving. What a pillock. We are here at Costco. Oh my bloody hell. There's a lot of people here. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to wait in line for so bloody long. Holy shit. So I have to wait for an Odyssey. I have to wait for two other cars up there. Oh boy. Why are you at the pump on the right side? Like the nozzle's on the right, but they're capped on the left. I've never understood people that do that. Like, I get it, like, it's a thing at Costco, but like, why? It doesn't make any sense. Let's see. That guy's doing it, that guy's doing it. Move forward. I actually cannot tell if there's an open space there or not. There is! Sick! Okay. Nice, we're filling up the fuel stop. Okay. Alright, camera's gonna stop recording in a little bit, so I gotta drive over to, where did I put my key? There we go. Gotta drive over to a desolate area and remove some stuff. I have to back up a little bit. Old lady in a Corolla, which is something that's seen quite often. You know, I really need to make a video driving Subaru just so I can prove I can drive stick shift. What has been done to the car? Obviously, I think I mentioned the tires, Bridgestone Blizzaks. Very good tires so far. I've put over 200 miles on these. They're very good. They handle really well, which I'm very surprised because they're only 195s versus the Michelins I have on the Koenig wheels, which are 205s, so it's one step up. But these 195s, they handle really well. It's almost on par with those 205s, but it just falls a little bit short because obviously you miss out on 10 millimeters of rubber. Another thing that's been done to the car, something I've been wanting to do for a while, is getting rid of the automatic lights. Sorry, I wish this car had a turbo. Now, the automatic lights, in theory, it's a really good idea, but in practice, for most people, it's a good idea, but for me, I don't know. Because my car, when you pull up on the handbrake and you've already let the handbrake down once, the lights don't turn back off. I don't know why Toyota did that. It's such a dumb, stupid idea. I don't know why Toyota didn't just wire it so when you pull the handbrake, the lights turn off. That would be logical to me. But no, they didn't do that. And so I cut the automatic lights. Gotta love it when automatics shift. Hey, the automatic lights, when you get rid of them, you have to ground the lights. Oh, here we go. Hey, she gets rowdy. You know, it may be slow, but it sounds sick doing it. When you cut the automatic lights, technically, you don't really cut them, you ground it to something. So when you ground the automatic lights, you also get rid of the DRLs as well, which, honestly, that kind of sucks, but at the same time, not really, because you don't really have to have DRLs, because this is the US, not Canada. Obviously, at night, you need lights on, otherwise you're an idiot, but yeah. Can you just go already? It's been green for 50 million years. That's how to deal with a slow driver. The right fender liner, I don't know when it happened or how it happened, but it disappeared. I think someone stole it because there's a perfect cut, like right above the mudguard, where the old fender liner is. I'm really confused though. I don't know why you would steal fender liner. That seems like something that you don't really give a shit about, but oh well. Someone stole it. And so now I had to deal with that. So I got new fender liner installed and it's fine. All good and dandy. The left side's been rubbing a little bit. The right side wasn't rubbing at all because it was rubbing on the fender liner. Obviously, if you don't have any fender liner, there's no fender liner to rub on. So like you're chilling. There was also this left mudguard, which got completely destroyed. I don't know if you can hear me over my loud ass engine. That mudguard got completely destroyed. Here's a junkyard. Sadly, they're closed now, though. I haven't been to the junkyard in a few weeks. I really want to go back, though, before winter comes. Because when winter is here, I don't really want to go to the junkyard because it's all like muddy and wet and snowy and crap. Pretty much that's all that's been happening with the car. It's just really minor things here and there, nothing too much. Again, I haven't really been working on it that much because my dad has been driving it to work and back. So there's that update for you. This is honestly one of my favorite roads to drive on. It's really nice. It's like kind of bumpy, but it's still really nice. You have like a few decent turns here and there. Police don't control the area, so you can follow the speed limit. And yeah, there's like, seriously, it's a super nice road. Granted, it's not like the nicest road in the world. Obviously, there's better out there, but there's turns like this. I only took that at 40 miles an hour because I'm being a little bitch, but still. And then there's turns like this as well. God damn. Alright. That's 55 miles an hour. Wink. I have a stop sign, fam. I have a stop sign, so like, you can go. Go, 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 go. No. No. Okay. You know, you do you, Mr. CRV from CarMax. You do you. After this Honda Civic, if you don't go, I'll kill myself. Okay. You're going. it took, it was probably insane. Insanely long. Fun fact, I have never done a 0 to 60 pull from a dead stop going straight. I've never done it. I don't know why. Maybe because there's no good places around here to do it. Is there someone making this turn? There isn't. Okay, we're going. You know what? Say whatever you want about my Corolla. It handles like a goddamn Miata. Considering I own a Miata, I would know. It handles, with the exception of the steering, it handles like a Miata. It is so good. You can say whatever you want. It handles corners so well. It is ridiculous. All the money I put into this car, suspension, handling wise, all worth it. Okay. That's the first 0 to 45 pull I've ever done in my life. And oh boy, that was great. What was that? Hopefully just some like rock chips or something. Hey, why are you children looking at a Corolla? I mean, I know it's a low Corolla, but it's a Corolla. Nobody needs to pay that much attention to a Corolla. What you doing? Oh, I didn't give an outside view of the car. I could have done that in the stupid parking lot. Oh well, whatever. I'll do it. I'll do it here. I'll do it here, and I'll do it now. This is what the car looks like. It's just a lowered Corolla on steel wheels. There's not much to talk about. Here's a new fender liner I put in, although it's not very important and you can't really see it. But there it is. There's also on this side the new mudguard. And yeah, there's that. I need to give this car a final wash before the end of the year, before the snow comes and stuff, because that I don't want to have to like clean up all this other stuff before then. Here's the TRD exhaust covered in filth, so we're gonna have to clean that up as well. Oh yeah, another update. Someone rear-ended my car, and now the paint's chipping away here. Some hit it. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video. I know, short and random. Maybe not exactly what you were hoping for, but one, it's a driving video, which I've never done before. Kind of want to experiment a little bit with those. And two, it's an update on the Corolla, which I know hasn't been on the channel in maybe like a month or two now. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, leave a like, especially for me protecting the Miata's interior by covering it up, because the top leaks a lot, because I don't have the drains cleaned and I can't clean them yet. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found it enjoyable. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos, maybe like this. Tell me in the comments if I should make more videos driving, because I don't know, because I've never really done this type of format before, but I feel like it could be maybe something to add a little bit extra spice, and then maybe I can also post more often, because obviously I drive every day, so I could just take the camera out and just drive around every day. But yeah, let me know, do you want me to just have it facing me, or do you want like other camera angles, such as like coming out in front of the car, or a camera behind the car, or a camera maybe like on the side of the car or something? I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the video there. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.